At nagawa ko ito, to be honest. So, una, nag-activate ako ng Shopee Pay. Pagkatapos kong mag-activate, nag-try ako na mag-transfer ng pera from my Shopee Pay to e-wallet to Shopee Pay and vice versa. Bumili din ako ng digital products like mobile load gamit ang Shopee Pay wallet ko. And actually, while hindi naman siya parang nabanggit dito specifically, but I activated Maribank na rin, which is like connected lang din yan ni Shopee. And after I activated Maribank, nag-transfer ako ng pera from Shopee Pay to Maribank, Maribank to Shopee Pay. And then also naglagay rin ako ng pera actually sa Shopee Pay ko. During my application, naglagay ako ng around 1K. 1K ata yan. To make sure na may laman yung e-wallet ko bago ako mag-a-apply, para at least ma-detect ng system, oy, may pera to, makakabayad to ng utang, so i-approve natin, something like that na logic. Pero I'm not sure, no, pero I believe that one helped as well. So pay order digitally, Shopee Pay. Ayan, Shopee Pay, e-wallet, bank, yan, napaka-importante niyan. Pay bills and buy digital products. Ayan, nagawa ko na yan. Yung sinabi ko kanina, bumili ako ng mobile load. And yeah, actually yung mga order ko recently, Shopee Pay yung gamit ko. Actually, hindi lang to one day. I think umabot siya ng siguro mga 1 week or perhaps 2 weeks or pinakamatagal siguro 3 weeks kung ginagawa. So hindi naman like always ako bumibili per day, but within that time frame, may nagtatransact ako, may ginagawa akong transaction sa aking Shopee account. Kasi need kasi natin itong i-follow para ma-approve tayo for SPayLater, kasi tinitignan nila yung overall performance ng ating Shopee account, hindi lang yung information na pinoprovide natin when applying. Although tinitingnan rin po nila yon, I believe, but most important din po is yung activity or performance natin sa ating mismong Shopee account. And yun lang, sana makatulong din sa inyo and ma-approve na rin po yung application nyo if rejected man kayo dati. Ayan. By the way, I reached out din pala sa customer service dati regarding dito, na if ever rejected po pala, you may try after 90 days to make sure na nag-improve na po yung performance nyo during the 3 months. So once nag-apply kayo ulit, malaki yung chance na ma-approve. Yun lang, and thank you for watching.